What are we looking for this morning, Maddie? The elf. Pixie, where'd she go? Where'd he go? He went back to the North Pole to tell Santa how you been. But he's back watching you somewhere today. Where's he at? Let's look for him. Where you gonna look? Look for him. He's somewhere around here, huh? Say, Pixie, where are you? Bella being right underneath my butt. Pixie's not in there. Pixie's gonna be sitting somewhere. Somewhere you can't touch her. We're going to look in here now. Where are we going? Not underneath the couch. Not underneath the couch. No, she can't. He can't watch you from there. We're going to look in here now. Nope, not back there. In the refrigerator? You think Pixie's going to be in the refrigerator?
Yeah.
No way. Look up high and low. Don't forget to look.
Let me see. No, we're not there. Nope, I got them.
Look all around the kitchen. Not in the cabinets? Where did Pixie fly to? Where'd she come fly to today? Where is he at? Is he up there? Nope. Look on the other counter. See if he's up there. You've missed the other counter.
Nope, on the top.
Look on the counter again.
Nope.
You missed? Look over there on the counter.
Nope. I could see.
Not in there in the vegetables, huh?
Nope.
We're on